Today we're going to be installing these LED lights from Auxito. This is a signal bulb and it has a built-in resistor so you don't get the hyper flash. I do expect this to be an easy process. Every car is different, but step one is going to be access the bulbs. And in my case, the signal bulb is here. And if you're not sure, just turn on your signal in the car and you can find it. Signal light is going to be here. So you just want to grab it and rotate it. So that's the incandescent bulb there. It just pulls out. And then we have the new Auxito bulb, which is roughly the same size. Oh wow, that's brilliant. And it just plugs in. Pretty easy, so you just plug it in and that's it. These LEDs have built-in resistors, so there's no hyper flash, so they're perfect for doing an upgrade on an older car or a modern car. There we go. We'll just put this back together. Here we have the old bulb on the right, incandescent. They get hot, and the filament is not a long life bulb. And here we have the LED upgrade from Auxito, and LEDs are usually long life. It has a built-in cooling fan, built-in resistor. Yeah. There we go. They're in and working. Nice and bright. Built-in resistors, no hyper flash. Nice upgrade, and they're the OE color, proper color for the OE application. The old bulbs will fit in the Auxito container, and this is what the new one looks like. It's pretty advanced, has a cooling fan in the end. Amazing. Big thanks to Auxito once again for the LED lights, and check out their website and see what they got. Let's do a list of all the upgrades. Put a new windshield in it, put the wheels on it, put new brakes on the front, new headlights, new wiper blades, new LED signal lights in the rear today from Auxito, and the mechanic put in new rear sway bar links. And I got new seat covers. I've only put the driver's one on so far, but I'm going to be putting those on. I just put a steering wheel cover on it today. And yeah, she's coming along looking nice.